Every journey begins with the right tires. At Lim Tayar, we believe your safety starts where the road meets your vehicle. Our experienced team is committed to providing you with professional tire services that combine attention to detail, quality workmanship, and reliable customer care. Whether it's new tires, wheel balancing, wheel alignment, or routine maintenance, every vehicle receives the care it deserves. From daily commuters to family cars, our goal is simple: deliver dependable service you can trust every time. When quality matters, choose Lim Tayar. Drive with confidence knowing your vehicle is in experienced hands. Visit us today and experience professional tire service that puts your safety first. Lim Tayar offers a range of services to keep your car running smoothly. Here are some key benefits of choosing our tire shop. Professional expertise. Our skilled technicians have years of experience working on all types of vehicles, ensuring top-notch results for each job. Quality parts only. We use high-quality components from trusted brands, so you know you're getting the best possible fit for your car. Reliable service with prompt responses and transparent pricing. We make sure you feel confident about your visit. Wide selection. We offer a variety of tires, from performance to budget options, tailored to meet different driving needs. Comprehensive solutions beyond just tires. We also provide wheel balancing, alignment, and other essential services to ensure optimal handling and comfort. Customer satisfaction guarantee. Your happiness is our priority. If something isn't perfect, let us fix it immediately. Affordable prices without compromising on quality. We strive to be competitive while offering value for money. Convenient location. Find us easily near major roads, making it convenient for both residents and visitors. Friendly atmosphere. Our friendly staff ensures a pleasant visit so you leave feeling satisfied. Long-term relationship. We aim to build lasting relationships by delivering exceptional service time after time. Choose Lim Tayar for peace of mind, knowing your car is in good hands. Visit us now and see why we're the go-to spot for tire care.